Hello, my name is Franklin Howell. I'll be presenting to you on storage devices. I'm from Grand Canyon University, CYB 50515, Cyber Security Warfare and Application. So today we'll be comparing and contrasting the file structure of Windows and Linux operating system. First, we're going to take a look at the characteristics that are comparable. The hierarchical structure of directories and files, file permissions and other security measures, disk management. Windows and Linux have all of those characteristics, but the most important one that I would like to highlight are the file permissions. That has to deal with how they set permissions on the different users' accounts, as well as looking at Windows and Linux both support what they both support. They both support the variety of of file systems. Windows support the FATs, the MTFS, and the exFATs, while Linux support the EXTF, XFS, and the BTRFS files. These are significant points that we can look at when we're comparing. Contrast, the difference. So Linux utilize the unified directory structure, right? Where they mount all the directory under a single root. Linux support more complex compatibility like journaling and snap shopping. So those are some of the difference. In the case of case sensitive, Linux is less of a case sensitive to that of Windows, and you can see that in the file extensions. So let us look at the permissions. They both have permissions, but they are different. So when we talk about Windows environment, we talk about they set permissions using the access control list, which is the ACLS. Why, as in Linux, they uses permission, but they specify the permissions on users, group, and other entities. So let us look at how these two operating systems can help us as it relates to the economy. People are going, a lot of companies goes for Windows operating system because of the integrations. Windows allow the integration of different platforms. So it cross a cut and makes it cheaper for them. As Linux is an open source, right? They have to do with less lessons issues. People can be more flexible in formulating solutions. Why Windows, you have to pay for a lot of different licenses. So in terms of cost, people have preference. Let us look at the storage. Storage, we look at SAN and we look at NAS. So NAS has to do with a centralized storage that is over the network, and then SAN has to do with high performance storage requirements for database utilizations and virtualizations. So NAT is mostly, we deal with NAT when we're dealing with streaming media and file sharings, as well as backups. So from a Christian perspective, right, the Bible makes us to understand we are steward, and we should be a faithful steward, managing the materials faithfully. So when we bring those things into our professional life, God expects us to be honest in everything we do. When you provision for storage for your company or for your enterprise, what we want to do, we want to encourage people to be honest in the price and how we provision storage or what the cost of storage. Those things can help our ethical standards, improve our ethical standards, and improve our moral lifestyles. In conclusion, storage must be honestly distributed within our environment. We should not use our skills to manipulate, to steal from our companies. Thank you for this video.